Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Go Native Farms. And what we're looking at here are a lot of grubs that are in the soil out here. And hopefully they do not destroy the seeds that I plant. So I did a little row. It's pretty windy out here, so hopefully it's not too bad and you can hear me. But I did a small row with the rototiller, and in that short area there must be 100 grubs in there, and hopefully these guys do not cause havoc with my corn. Now when I planted the corn over here, I didn't see those grubs earlier in the season, and this corn's doing pretty good over here, so hopefully that's not going to be an issue. I'll keep you guys updated, and thank you for tuning in. I may have to look into some nematodes to control these guys, or possibly even some other organic biological agent. All right, I'll keep you updated, let you know if they munch on my plants. I only saw one squash down here. We might as well walk over there while we're chatting. That they did munch on. It's a little windy, a lot windy. And all of these watermelons are doing good. And then most of my squash is doing pretty good down here. Except for that one. There was one there. It got chewed up by something at the base, but the rest of them look pretty good. So hopefully we won't have a big issue. And that is that. The corn over here is looking pretty good. Planted a bunch of this Apache hickory corn, and most of it came up. A few did not. It's not 100% germination rate, maybe 60 to 75%. But hopefully those grubs stay away from my garden for the most part and don't munch my plants. I think they're beetle grubs, and I'm not sure if every beetle grub is going to want to eat these plants, but I will keep you guys updated. Thank you again for tuning in, and have a great rest of the day.